In the last video, I showed you what a Claude AI agent looks like in action. You asked for the full coding tutorial. Today, we build it from zero. A real autonomous agent, not a chatbot, that reasons, uses tools, and completes multi-step tasks completely on its own. Pure Python, beginner-friendly. Let's go. The first thing to understand is the agent loop. This is what separates a real agent from a simple chatbot. A chatbot replies once and stops. An agent keeps looping until the task is fully complete. Here is how it works. The user gives a task. We add it to the messages list and send it to Claude. Claude looks at the task and decides, can I answer this directly or do I need to use a tool? This decision happens automatically. We never tell Claude which tool to use. It figures that out on its own. The while true loop keeps the agent alive, waiting for the next task after each one is complete. One more thing, the messages list is the agent's memory. Every exchange is stored there, so Claude always knows the full context of what happened before. Now let's build the three tools. Tools are just Python functions that Claude can request when it needs them. Claude cannot run them directly. It sends a request, and our loop runs the function and returns the result. Tool 1, Search Notes. This reads a text file and returns every line that matches the query. Claude uses this when it needs to find information. Tool 2, Summarize Text. This returns the first 3 sentences of any text Claude passes in. Tool 3, Save Report. This writes a markdown file to disk. Claude uses this to deliver the final output as a real file. 3 functions. That is the entire tool set. Now we need to tell Claude that these tools exist. We do this with a tools list, a list of dictionaries we pass to the API. Each dictionary has 3 things: the name of the tool, a description of what it does, and an input schema that tells Claude what parameters to send. Claude reads this list and knows exactly which tools are available and how to call each one. Then we build the dispatcher, a function called runTool. When Claude requests a tool by name, runTool checks the name and calls the matching Python function. The return value goes back to Claude as a tool result message, so it can continue reasoning and decide what to do next. Now let's run it. We type, search my notes for Claude, summarize what you find, and save a report. Watch what happens. Claude does not answer immediately. It decides it needs the search notes tool first. We run the function. The result comes back. Claude reads it and calls summarize text. We run that. Result comes back. Claude calls save report. We run that. And then final answer. Done. I searched your notes, summarized the findings, and saved report.md to disk. 3 tools, 1 task, 0 manual steps. That is a real agent. You just built a Claude AI agent from zero. The agent loop. 3 real tools, tool definitions, and the dispatcher. And a live run that proves it works. This is the foundation. Every advanced agent you will ever build starts exactly here. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we make this agent smarter by adding more tools and a real memory system. See you in the next one.